Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today we're testing out the Madam Glam Builder Gel. So at a subscriber's request, she wanted me to test out the Madam Glam Builder Gel, and I was like, heck yeah, I will. So I ordered 3 different colors, if you will, of the Builder Gel. I got a white, which is this one here, and spoiler alert, this is the one that I used. I got this nude or builder light beige, and then I got the clear. And if you stick around to the end, there's going to be a giveaway. So this white is really beautiful. It was like a frosty, creamy white. I haven't used this light beige yet, but I like that it's like a real natural nude color. I think that would really come in handy for some builder gel. Especially me, I like my neutrals and my whites. And this clear, I'm going to do a giveaway for one of you, so stick around to the end of the video. This is going to be a little bit of a longer one, but it's going to be worth it. So just hang around. Let's get into it. So I have my paper towel down and I'm getting ready to start. And my idea is I'm using my regular lamp. I'm using the Madam Glam Builder Gel, but I'm going to do everything the same as I usually do with my Emily Builder Gel. I'm going to do the same process, same method. That way I can do a straight comparison Builder Gel to Builder Gel. So let's get this on our nails and I'll show you what happens. So first off, I'm taking it out of the bottle and kind of putting it on my nail, just figuring out what's what. If you haven't seen any of my other videos, hello, welcome. My name is Amber. On my channel, I do lots of nail tutorials. I do beauty tutorials. I do some fashion try-ons. But really, it's mostly just nails and girl talk. And I've been obsessed with the Emily Builder Gel. You can find that on my channel, lots of tutorials using that. It's like 10 bucks on Amazon, and I've bought it probably 5 times now, and I love it. This one is very, very different. So with the Emily, I just paint it on like nail polish. It smooths around, it self-levels. It's more thin and flexible of a gel. This one was very, very thick. So as I'm starting to kind of play around with it and get the hang of it, I'm realizing it's more of a place the gel on your nail and then move it around so that you get an even application. But it does level off to a point. So you can see on this nail, I started with a dot and now I'm just kind of moving that dot of gel around, making sure I'm covering my sidewalls, getting all the way up to the cuticle, all the way down to the tip, and getting more of an even application. And now I'm starting to find my rhythm of, okay, this is going on a lot nicer now. So I'm just kind of dotting it on and then moving it around. And I am going to cut this video out here after I wipe a little bit of extra on this paper towel. So I keep a paper towel under me. And I'm going to fast forward to the very end. So this is 2 applications of Builder Gel, both cured under the lamp for about 2 minutes, because that's what Madam Glam requires. And then a layer of top coat. And it's a good thickness. I like how it came out. Here's my whole hand application, both hands, everything fully done. I'm going to show you why I jumped to the end of this, because we had a bit of a snafu. So here's what happened. Okay, everybody, so it's been less than 24 hours since I did these, and I wanted to do a quick little update. So last night when I was cleaning up, doing the dishes, just rinsing things off, I noticed that the Builder Gel kind of shrank up above my nail bed. So you can see it here. It's almost like it shrank up. Now, I didn't cap the edges, but I never do that with my Emily Builder Gel, and I wanted to do this exactly as I typically do. So because it shrank up, it created a gap here and some lifting happened.
and it started to get up underneath and separate. And you can see it just isn't stuck on at all. I already lost 2 nails and it's been less than 24 hours. So what I'm gonna do is, now that I've tested it like I do my Emily Builder Gel, I know that this is a different formula, it's a different brand, and it needs a different application. So I'm going to take these off and we're gonna try a different method. So round 2, here we go.
Okay, so here we go. A different method. Second application, you can see I've taken all of these off and they've really just popped right off. It is a bit of a harder formula than what I'm used to with the Emily brand, but I actually really like it. I think it has potential. So we're going to start over. We're going to start with pH Prep. This is from Sparkle & Co. And really what this is more of like an alcohol type formula that's going to help remove some of the oils from your nails. Because my nails are so healthy and they are full of natural oils, products only last about a week on me and then they just kind of pop right off, which I enjoy because that's less work for me. I'm going to go in now with a gel base, which is typically something I do not do. But this is going to help that builder gel adhere more to my nails. This is also a Sparkle & Co. gel base. And if you are not familiar with Sparkle & Co., I used to subscribe to their monthly dip bag and absolutely loved it. I only canceled it because life happened, but I have lots of fun videos showing you those. Cured that gel base for a minute under the lamp, and now I'm deciding if I want to use this acrylic type brush or if I want to try the brush that comes with it. And I've decided I'm gonna do the brush that comes with it. It's just easier for me. And if you buy this stuff, this is how you're probably going to apply it. So I figured this would just be the best method for everybody. So learning from my first trial, I know the formula of this is a bit thicker, so I'm trying to put a smaller amount on and then do more of an even, smooth out application. So that's what I'm doing here, just kind of putting it on my nail, smoothing it out. And then this time I'm going to make sure that I get the nail fully coated from the very top of the cuticle to the edge of the tip. And then what I'm doing here is I'm putting it on the tip of my nail and capping those edges so that the builder gel goes all the way down and kind of wraps around the very tip of the nail. And I'm thinking all of the prep I did plus this application is going to make it last and be a better method. And it did. Spoiler alert, it worked. And when I'm done showing you the tutorial and I'm showing you the finished product, I'll give you my thoughts overall. Because once I put all of this on my nails, cured it, got it ready to go, I wore it for a good 5 days so that I could do a full, real, honest review and give you guys my thoughts. You know how I am. If I don't like it or it doesn't work, I'm going to tell you about it and I'm going to show you and I'm going to be honest because that's how I roll. So now I'm just putting this on the nails. So I find the best application is if you kind of just get a dot or a little ball or a smear on your nail and then you kind of wipe the brush off so the brush is a little more clean. Then you can take that gel and smooth it around your nails, get it down to your sidewalls, push the brush up and back to your cuticle and really move that gel around. And you can see it does self-level a little bit, but it really does need you to move it into the right spot. And then after it sits for a minute or two, it will kind of level out. But it can cause a little bit of dripping down or to the sidewalls. So it does require you to flip it and level it out. And I'll show you that here in just a second. So I'm just putting a dot of the gel on there, just like I did with all the rest of the nails, smoothing it out, getting it nice and even, doing the best application I can, making sure that I'm hitting the very, very tip of my nail, capping those edges each time, and getting it nice and smooth from there. So now that we've got our nails covered, I do these four, then I do my two thumbs, and then I do the next four. That's how I always do my gel application, and it just works best for me that way. So I found here there was a little bit of movement there, and I didn't want it to cure funny, so I just kind of took my brush and re-leveled it, made it look a little nicer, smoothed it out, I guess you could say. So now that I like the look of that, we're going to flip it. I hold this for about 10 to 15 seconds and I let that gel start to level towards the center of my nail and pull down so that it creates a nice shape, a nice apex. And I find that this works really well with all of my gel products. I cured that for 2 minutes. So that's twice as long as I have to do the Emily or other gel brands. But this is a thicker, harder formula. So I understand why it takes more cure time. And honestly, I'm okay with that. So going into my second application, and I'm going to do this just like I did the first application. So instead of going through and telling you what I literally just told you, I'm going to watch. Oh my goodness. I'm going to let you watch while I stumble over my words here. Let you watch me paint this on, and I'm going to tell you a little bit about my channel. So if you're new here, hi, my name is Amber. Welcome to my channel. I do a lot of fun stuff here. Like I mentioned earlier, we do lots of nail tutorials. I have a lot of dip powder tutorials. I was a dip powder girl to start. Then I didn't have time to do my nails for 2 hours at a time, even though I love the process. So I started trying out gel products and I really quickly fell in love with those. So I've really been on a gel kick lately, but I enjoy doing my nails. I like having nice nails, broke bee style. I can't afford to go to the salon once a week or twice a month. So I learned how to do them myself. And although they may not be perfect, and I never claim to be perfect, I really like how they come out. So you can find lots of fun tutorials. I do stamping. I play around with really everything nail related. And I have companies that send me a lot of fun stuff to try. So I'm constantly doing try-ons of new products and new stuff, and I always pay it forward and do a giveaway for you guys. Even when I purchase stuff myself, like I did this Madam Glam, I purchased an extra one to do a giveaway for you guys because I love to pay it forward and you guys watch my videos and help support my channel. So it's just a thank you to you. So on my channel, I do a ton of giveaways. Make sure that you subscribe before you leave. It really does help support my channel, and you have a really good chance of winning one of those giveaways because I do them very frequently. So, I recently just got sent, if you saw on my community tab, I did a picture. And if you're not following me on Instagram, it's at Amber Riley's Life. Go over there and give me a follow because I do behind the scenes and sneak peeks and cool stuff there. But I did a little video of a PR package I got from Double Dip. They sent me a ton of dip powders, dip liquids, nail gems and stickers, and just all kinds of fun stuff. So I'm going to be trying that out next, and I'm really excited. So there's my second coat. I'm flipping it over. I'm going to give it a good 10 to 15 seconds to level out. And now I'm getting rid of that brush because it's clear now. I'm not using that thing. After it levels out, I'm going to put it in the lamp and I'm going to cure it for 2 minutes, just like I did the last time. And then we'll see how it goes. So here's my flash cure, 2 minutes. And this does have a sticky, tacky layer to it, just like any of the other builder gels. You can remove that with just a little bit of alcohol on a wipe, and then you can go in with something different if you like, or you can leave that tackiness on and it helps your next application to stick. In this case, top coat. So I'm trying out a different top coat than I normally use. I normally use the Emily brand top coat because I buy it with the builder gel and it comes in a 2-pack with the gel and the top coat, and I absolutely love it. But since I was trying something a little different here, I decided to go ahead and grab this Virgo and Jim top coat. And it works really well. I mean, I don't hate it. I don't love it. It's just a good, decent gel top coat. I think for the $10 that it costs to get the top coat and builder gel off Amazon for the Emily brand, it's just stellar quality. So it's really hard for me to justify paying more for anything, to be honest. So I'm taking that top coat, I'm dragging it all the way down, covering the tips, and then I cure that for a good minute. Here's the finished product there on my second tryout, and I feel like I've gotten my method down a lot better here. I finished all of the nails on all both hands here. 2 layers of that builder gel capping the edges and 1 layer of top coat. Now, as I normally do, I'm going to go through with a file just along the edges and anything that kind of spilled over into my side walls, over onto my finger, I'm going to kind of clean that up a little bit. But I really tried to go light there so that I didn't affect the edges that I capped. And I really wanted these to last. So here's the finished product. I wore them for 5 days and I absolutely love them. I love that creamy frosty white color. They were a little bit thicker and harder than my normal gel manicure. It almost reminded me of dip powder. It was very, very easy. Once I got down the application tips or how to apply it, oh my goodness, it's just, I love it. I really, really love it. So here's the giveaway. If you would like to try this builder gel for yourself, I'm going to give away the clear builder gel to one of y'all. And this is that Madam Glam, the same one I have on my nails here in the white. I'm also going to give you a couple of these brushes so that you can try different applications. They have this cute little gold and silver star glitters inside, and there's a smaller one and a larger one. All you have to do to enter to win my giveaway is be a US resident, only because shipping is really expensive out of the US and broke bee style. I just can't afford it yet. Leave me a comment down below, like this video, let me know why you want to win, and I will randomly choose somebody. So all in all, my thoughts, I really like this builder gel. I will be using it again. I think it's a really nice product, but you do have to do a little more prep and cap those edges, which I don't mind. I think it's totally worth it. Thank you all so much for watching. Make sure you like this video, and I'll see you in the next one.